The 2007 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, CD changer, tow hitch, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, power passenger seat, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.